Hello, I'm Travis, and today I want to do a demo of BmasterAI logging that does advanced LLM reasoning logging. So the idea behind this is to give transparency into how the agent is working, the thinking process of the agent, and how it's going about accomplishing tasks. And in this example, we're going to go through basically enabling the agent Gemini with a few tools. This is an open source repo that I created for basically logging, reasoning, and chain of thought. So in this example, I have it running. You can download the code. It's just under over here at Gemini-reasoning-streamlit. You can see the Gemini. It's going to use Gemini 2.5, BmasterAI, Tavily API for grabbing data off the internet, and Firecrawl integration. So, and you can use this for many different things. In this example, we're just going to search for AI influencer podcast data, but you could use this example for anything, and feel free to grab it, change it, play with it, and utilize it. So what we will do first is kind of show the first step is there's a problem solving step where you can go through and just when you load it, you instead of sentiment analysis, you're going to choose problem solving. And you're in this example, we'll say, what is the best way to pitch yourself for an AI podcast as a guest? You can ask the question. It basically shows how is Gemini responding to the question. And then it's basically going to form a step-by-step analysis of how to work through your problem, or the problem that you have asked. And then in this example, it's going to say, okay, well, first I need to identify the target podcast, understand the podcast audience and focus, the unique value proposition, as well as crafting a personalized pitch, highlights benefits for the podcast, etc. It even provides a template for your email to the podcaster influencer. So you could utilize this to go ahead and contact. Now, the other part of this is that I've created an example that if you use like, hey, I want to search for a number of influencers that are in the AI and business and enterprise space. So if I do a search, it's actually going through planning, thinking, searching Tavily for enterprise, for AI in business and enterprise influencers, working through that, collected 50 search results with unique IDs, and then it starts to search through those, and it's working through it right now, starting AI podcast, and now it found two. So as you can see, it does have two different people that we could contact. Was not able to grab the email address of the first person, but it did grab the email address of the second person. So you can see that it did in fact find them, and like I said, you could use it for other examples. So if you want to go through and choose like AI ethics or general AI, and for that matter, it doesn't have to be an AI. You could choose any format that you want to search and have your agent work through Tavily API as a key or as a source of data or a tool to grab data, and then it can then use Firecrawl to get additional data from the initial search with Tavily API. So I hope you really enjoyed this example. There's another one, Tom Ritchie, with his email address. So I hope this, again, I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know. Reach out if you enjoyed, or if you have questions, let me know as well. Thank you, and have a good day.